Um, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Noor Afham. My METI number is 33DPE 19F1061. Today I would like to present about line graph and bar graph. Firstly, I want to present about line graph. The title is Tiger Population Decline in Malaysia. As we know, the tiger population in Malaysia is increasingly disturbing. This is due to the human attitude of humans towards tiger, which has made them increasingly extinct in Malaysia. It's because tiger are considered a threat to the population. As we know, numbers of tiger in Malaysia at 1970 have more than 40,000. After 5 years later, number of tiger has decreased, and at 1985, the numbers of tiger has 21,500. This is due to the declining numbers of tigers in Malaysia due to the princess of poachers who wants tiger skin to be marketed abroad. After that, in 2000, the number of tiger has decreased very sharply. In the line graph I present, the number of tiger in 2000 only 8,500. After 12 years later, the number of tiger in Malaysia have less than 3,200. This indicates that the tiger population in Malaysia is very worrying. Next, I want to present about the bar graph. The title is Number of Social Network Users in Malaysia from 2017 to 2020. The number of internet users in the country show an increase to 25.08 million users, representing 79% of Malaysia's population. Of that number, 75% use social media service and spend an average of 3 hours a day on social media site. The study imparts of the result of the 2018 digital report released by Hootsuite and We Are Social. The report also revealed that the number of internet users increased by 9% compared to last year, making Malaysia the world 9th most active country on social media. Malaysia is also ranked 5 in the world in terms of the most e-commerce usage, with 40% of Malaysia having conduct online transactions. This is the 7th time the report has been published. In total, internet users have already reached over 4 billion worldwide. It has ranged to 7% over the past 12 months, uh, representing 53% of the world population. Um, Global social media users reached 3.196 billion users, up 13% of over the past 12 months. In addition, mobile social media users increased 14% compared to last year to 2.958 billion users, with 93% accessing social media in their smartphone. Uh, I think this is done, and thank you.